Afrodaybeac, and before we begin the video, if you see my lace, if you notice my lace, shut up. Like, I do not care. Like, today is gonna be more of an errands type of day, and if you're checking for this, you're racist. You're just trying to cause problems in my life. Like, it's not that deep. You can go in the comments and say, oh my god, your lace is short. I don't care. So today, y'all, my package came in. I got the Fenty Perfume, whatever you want to call it, and I'm so excited to try it. And I just wanted to come on camera and show you guys, like, unbox it with you guys, because I feel like this is a moment. This is like something that should be documented, because, you know, it's the first perfume. You know, we expected it, because, you know, Rihanna keeps releasing stuff out of the blue. It's like, you know, there was lingerie, there was makeup, no more music, and I'm fine with that at this point. So I'm hearing about a winery. We also had skincare, but it's like I'm hearing about winery and stuff like that. I'm like, Fenty wine? But before we even get into all that, let's talk about the Fenty Parfume, you know? Oh, before I tell you about it and I show you guys, be sure to subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Okay, so now that we're done with that, guys, here's how it came. Well, I got it in my regular package UPS box, but I'm not going to show you that because it has my address on it, so you guys are actually crazy. So, it comes like this. It has Fenty logo on it. Oh, it actually says Fenty. Look! It says Fenty. I didn't peep that before. I just thought it was a bunch of F's. But it says Fenty. Whole master's degree, and it took me like a whole day to figure that out. But look at how it's packaged, like a little present, y'all. I truly do feel like it's a gift, you know? So, like, let's just do a little ASMR. I don't know, maybe if you guys can hear it. Wait. Should I take this off? I don't think I can take the top off. Let's see if I have that. Okay, let me go ahead and try to. No. Can I? We might have to just rip it. I'm giving y'all an experience. Ooh, it's blue on the inside. Hold on. Where's Christmas? I'm sorry. Oh, perfect. Okay, because it comes with a little pamphlet inside. Look at Rihanna looking all gracious. Oh, it's just a picture of Rihanna. That's great too. Oh, I love that wig. Will I wear it? I wouldn't wear it, but that wig is a statement. I thought I was gonna say like the notes on it, but let's see. So here we have it in the big blue packaging. I've seen a lot of people have the samples. I've gotten the samples. I've even seen a couple of TikToks on it, but I haven't seen anyone with the actual perfume. So I will be the one to give the opinions. I'm trying to be gracious about it, but I don't think I can be. I really do love this packaging. I'm really upset that I did not know that little logo literally spelled Fenty inside of it. Like, I'm behind y'all. I feel like I can already smell it in the box. I'm not gonna lie. I can smell the scent in the box. Put that right there. That don't this matter right now. Okay, so let's see how's this. Oh, I think it's a slip off. Ooh. And, oh, it's double-sided, y'all. Okay, it's double-sided. Okay, I don't think I smell the perfume. I think I'm smelling the box, and the box has its own scent. It's double-sided, y'all. You see this? Ooh, it's like a little closet shoebox type thing. Hold on. Ew. Okay. The packaging itself is pretty cool. So we have this brownish amber packaging. Let me see if I can get it out of here without breaking it, girl, because if you break it, it's going to be a damn shame. This is very sleek, very gorgeous. It doesn't have much to it. It's just Fenty and brown. Okay. Let's see. Wow. So if you guys can see, it's just this amber color, this amber brown. Just to top off with a gold top. Okay. And it also has that Fenty logo at the top here as well. Hold on. Let me show you guys. I'm not sure if you can see clear. Boom, boom, pow. So basically, I think this perfume is like, its scent is based off memories in grace. I don't know, y'all. I can barely speak English. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm gonna Google that. Let me see that real quick. Hold on.
Glass.
Okay, I was right. Glass. Okay. So it's pronounced glass. So I think it's based off memories she has in glass. And then it says even like, hold on, let me make sure I get this right, because you know I don't like to butcher things, you know? So on the Fenty Beauty website, when it's talking about the fragrance, it goes to say, hold on, it's supposed to be poetic. The energy of this fragrance is very vibrant and very spicy. Some of the ingredients are tangerine, patchouli, Bulgarian rose, absolute, geranium, incense, and more. And then I think there's also magnolia. Yeah, she goes on to say, one of my favorite ingredients is the magnolia. I love the fragrance before it was added to, fragrance before it was added to it. But one thing that upped it and made it elevated was magnolia. Okay, so we're gonna smell. I'm scared, y'all. So let me give y'all my little 2 cents. Let's see. Let's just get to the part y'all really care about. That should be enough. It's supposed to be something spicy, something warm. Oh, I smell it. I smell it already. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let's go back to these scents. So we're supposed to get some citrus, we're supposed to get some rose, we're supposed to get some incense and something warm and spicy. I smell the spicy. I smell the spicy. How do I smell spicy? Hold on, let's let it air out a little bit before we come to our decision on what it smells like. I smell the citrus and I smell what makes it spicy. I'm not exactly sure about what in the notes makes it spicy. Is it the patchouli? I smell a light sense of rose, because I feel like rose, whenever I smell rose, I think of rose water, and I feel like rose water has a very distinct scent, so I can kind of smell it. I smell everything it's saying that it says it has, but that's because I'm probably looking for it, because then it says it also has incense, and I'm like, yeah, this does smell like, it does give me the sense of incense. Ooh. Y'all. The thing I'm worried about, you know how when you have scents, it smells different based on your like body pheromones and stuff? I'm worried that what it smells like on me, it might not smell on another person. But they do say, okay, one, this is unisex. It's supposed to be unisex. And I believe it, because if I smelled my man going around with this, I would love it. It is warm and spicy. This is giving me more of a date night perfume though. Like, I wouldn't wear this to work, if that makes sense. I would wear this out in this town, like going on a date type of thing. I love it. It's warm and spicy. It's giving a good time. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. Like getting dressed and you're like leather, black going out. This is the vibe it's giving me. I don't know if y'all following me, but this is the vibe it's giving me. And I feel like this bottle is perfect for the scent, because like she said it was supposed to give, I don't remember what she said. It's brown is me, brown is, I wish I remember what it was. But this bottle I feel like is giving the essence of what this smells like, because it is giving spicy, it's giving warm, it's giving me like date night, but elegant and just simple. I don't know why, I was expecting something more floral, but I like this. This is very sexy, y'all. This is very grown. Like, if y'all trying to feel sexy and grown, go ahead and hop on this. I'm gonna put it back in the packaging because it's just like, it's just so pretty to me, and I don't break, please. And I don't want to lose it. Rihanna, you did that. I'm happy about this. I will definitely recommend this to somebody, maybe even give it as a gift to somebody, because this is very, oh, but it's so soft. I can barely smell it, but I feel like if I walk around somewhere, people are gonna smell me. Let me know what y'all think. Like, I know a lot of people are gonna try it because I feel like it's the first perfume of Fenty, so it has to be tried. So let me know what you guys think when you get it. Do you feel like it was a hit? It was a miss? I definitely feel like this was a hit. It's not what I expected when it came to perfume, because I expected something more floral. And you know what? People are always saying Rihanna smells good. She smells like heaven. I'm not gonna say this smells like heaven though. I'm not gonna say it smells like heaven. It's giving me soft date night, warm, cozy, but it's not giving me heaven. That's what I'll say. Please don't come for me though. Please don't come for me. But let me know what y'all think. So until the next time, bye.